the software experience on it, in my opinion here, was not really paid that much attention to.
Bad girl, I'm a nice guy. Liquor in my cup, I gotta really toughen up. Yeah, nurse strap.
What's going on, everybody on YouTube? Max Rock here with a brand new video. I was using this phone here, and they tried to put too many different type of things into the phone to get it at a certain price point. The software experience on it, in my opinion here, was not really paid that much attention to. But like for things like for YouTube, let's say I'm watching a YouTube video with this phone. If I'm watching a YouTube video with this phone, it would actually stutter in the middle of the video. It would be one of those stutters where the video is actually progressing slow for like at least 5 to 10 seconds. The processor really is struggling right now. So like things like that would happen. There's like different levels of lag that I never really experienced on a device. If you're watching a YouTube video, like most devices these days, it'll be able to play that YouTube video at whatever quality you want to put it at, as long as it has no Wi-Fi or the proper data speeds to watch the video. I was on Wi-Fi and that was happening. The phone actually looks really good. It really does look like an iPhone because of the design. It's like one of those things where I think suffer because of the software. Again, the cameras, they aren't half bad. It's just when it comes to like using certain features with the camera, like it has the portrait mode, and the portrait mode is probably like one of the worst portrait modes I've seen on the phone. If you want to get this phone here for the portrait mode, when you look, at the the most important thing about the phone, the UI performance, it's just a little laggy, man. And I changed the launcher on this device because the original stock launcher that it came with, it was a little laggy for me as well. So even the stock launcher is laggy, and I really just think like it's not because the phone is like a crappy phone or anything. It's just the software wasn't worked on extensively, or is it that the phone paired up with the processor that it has, which is the MediaTek 67, is it 69? I'm not sure. Let me go to CPU-Z, see if it tells me. Okay, no, but it is the quad-core processor that's clocked at 1.5 gigahertz. It's in a lot of different phones like Blue, companies like that. They have those processors in the phone. And, is it a thing where it's just MediaTek processors? I don't know. I think I'm just having a bad experience with this phone here. There are phones out here that has like similar specs to this, like the Motorola E5 here. Moto G6 Play and Boost Mobile. There are phones out here with similar specs, 2 gigs of RAM, 16 gigs of internal storage like this one, a quad-core processor like this one, running 8.0 like this one. And these phones aren't having that problem. Take with that what you will. I'm gonna go ahead and end that video. If you guys have any questions or anything you want to see in particular in the future, let me know in the comment section below. Be sure to like this video. I guess you can subscribe to the channel if you want to. But if you do decide to subscribe, make sure you hit that notification bell, because sometimes in YouTube, they don't send the video to the feed. So if you hit that bell, you will get every single video notification. But until then, my name is Max Rock. You guys have a good day. Deuces.
Really toughen up, yeah, nurse strap.